What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here real quick. We're at Orlando SpeedWorld, and I'm here gonna race the RS3 stage 2. It's Rob. Stage 2 on 93. Full interior, 29. Got the Mustang GT. Full interior, none of that nonsense. Straight up. Let's just go have some fun. All right, enjoy. Yep, that just happened. The planetary gave up and it took everything with it. But it's been out, built, back in, cars running. That day, Rob ran an 11.2 was his fastest on the RS3 Unitronic Stage 2 93 octane. That was a couple weeks ago. We went back 2 days ago for Sunday Funday, and Rob brought the RS3 with some corn. E85, and Noah came with the Gen 2 6R80 Boss manifold, E85 exhaust, everything. And Thomas brought his Ecoboost full bolt-on upgraded turbo PD tuning E85 too. So because of the whole social distancing, we didn't I didn't vlog, you know, but I recorded the races and we took a lot of pictures. So here they are. Enjoy.
Also, we're having issues with the PA adapting to it right now, but you can hear the PA announcement. It's about a 15-second delay. So we don't get there you go. Time's up. Mustangs in a little bit different variety. Tower side, the Airboat Products lane, that's a V8 car. In the American Motorsports lane, it sounds like a six-cylinder. And they're available in 4-cylinder turbos, 6-cylinder V8 power from the Ford Motor Company. Somebody that knows and has got it going on. Open car, the Cobra kit car, arm restraints, everything you need to make the car go down the track correctly, and watch this little lightweight car with a powerful motor.
Rob, did you hear something? Like, is it whining or something?
The Mustang X Start 9 to 5 liter machine late model. Deep staged. We're going to give it another shot. And it did not want to shift.
yeah, as you can see, Rob got his 10.9 little family car, stage 2 E85, 10.9. Car is nice, car is moving. I'm happy for him. He's excited. 10.9 is fast. Upgraded turbo coming up next, huh, Rob? So yeah, he did really good running. Noah with Gen 2 6R80 Boss Manifold E85. His fastest was a 12.2 at 116. It was very hot, but his 60 foot was 1.9. Now that I kind of looked at it last minute, and I think that can get some improvement. He can get that down to like a 1.8. So it's probably like that footwork, or it was hot. I don't think he was spinning because he had Mickey Thompsons, and he can't overpower those. So we'll have to look into that and see what we can do. But I think his car, even though it was really hot, I think it had a little bit more in it if that 60 foot got cut down from 1.9 to 1.8. And Thomas, we're not going to talk about Thomas. He was on a street tire, and when he went to swap to put some Mickey Thompsons on, it started raining. So when he ran on his street tires, it's just spinning everywhere. So the car's pretty quick, and because of all the torque, it just spins everywhere. So it's not even fair. But it was a fun day, even though there's social distancing. We wore a mask. It was really hot, but we enjoyed the cars racing. We took some video. We took a lot of pictures. I'm going to show you up next. And yeah. And if you haven't seen the new Mach E promo, you got to check that out. It's pretty badass. Even if you don't like the car, the promo itself, it's pretty badass. So yeah, enjoy the pictures, and see you next time. Peace.